What's up everybody, NFX here with a quick shot tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to talk about doing a note slide with an FL Studio generator. The easiest way to do that is in the piano roll, so let's just demonstrate that with a boo bass. I'm going to right click on the boo bass and tell it to go to the piano roll. And I'm going to take a note, in this case we'll go with C5, and we're going to slide it down to C4. Now without the slide, here's what it sounds like. Just the note. And we're going to hit this button here next to the color, the green color, or whatever color you have currently selected. And that's going to tell us to put in a slide note. And a slide note will tell FL Studio to slide the current note to another note. Like this. Now when we do this, the slide is going to begin where this slide note begins, and it's going to end, in other words, it's going to reach its destination where this one ends. So if I wanted a very quick slide, I might do something like this. And it would play the note here, and as time progressed, when it hits this location, it's going to slide down really quickly because I have a short slide duration here. Now the reason why this note is long up top is because after it slides down to this, I want the note to keep playing, and so it's going to keep playing at that lower pitch for the duration of the original note up here. And let me just play that so you can see what I mean. So you can hear it sliding down very quickly. Now if we wanted a slower slide, we would just increase this slide note, and now it's going to slide over the course of 2 beats instead of 1 step. And that's really all there is to it. Now you might want to do this same type of thing with a non-FL Studio plugin, like maybe an albino plugin or a sample tank or something like that. And both of those have their own methods of doing a slide or a glide using portamento. And what you need to do is you need to learn how to do that within the plugin that you're using. That would probably be the easiest way. I do have a tutorial on portamento floating around either on my site or here on YouTube or somewhere, but check it out and see if that answers your question. If not, another way you can do it, let me just clear that slide note out for a second. Another way you can do it is by using this pitch knob here. But this is going to require a little bit of manual input or drawing skill if you want to draw the envelope in. But it's also going to require that you know how far in semitones you want that pitch to go. For example, I have it set to 12, which is an octave. So if I play a note and then use my pitch wheel, you can see I can control that slide down or up as I want. And all I need to do is record myself playing using the pitch wheel and doing that particular effect, and it's done. Or I can, using the mouse, hit record, and then while it's playing, use the mouse and drag this down, and it will record what I do there. So that's another way of doing it, but it's a little more tricky. And if you can use portamento, glide, slide that's built into the plugin, I would recommend you do that. If it's an FL Studio plugin, then you can use the first method I showed you with the glide note, or the slide note rather, and that works really well and gives you a lot of control. So that's it. NFX, quick shot, warbeats.com. Check it out.